It's not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio.
When you slip one past the goalie, that's not so bad. But that's what they did with the economic data, Danny, on Monday. They decided on the half day to put out the ISM report, which of course has refuted every single bull that exists and has existed for the 19 months that Hedgeye has been bearish on the cycle. Again, don't confuse the cycle to date or when we took our position with our hard-earned capital versus everyone else's issues, those that get paid to permanently market bullishness or bullshit for that matter. They've been saying the economy seems to be picking up some steam here. Well, it made new lows on Monday. I mean, let's just start with that. One, the ISM number hit a new cycle low. So again, June was lower than May, and May was lower than the first quarter. So of course, that's called a slowdown. And more importantly, inside of the numbers, what is supposed to slow at the end of the cycle and slow at a faster rate did just that, which is of course employment. So employment not only sliced through the particularly important level of 50, which says you're in contraction, but it did it like I write here, like a hot knife through butter after catching the walleye. That thing was down 4.5 points almost there. That's a huge decel. And don't forget, we have a jobs report pending on Friday. And again, this is typically 100% of the time where people that don't understand the manifestation of recessions get caught offside. You go into an earnings recession, which we've clearly entered. I was doing this jokingly to a degree, but they're actually numbers. If you look at today's earnings slowdown next to that chart, you probably wouldn't be surprised. I mean, imagine that's all you looked at today. Down 21% earnings for the 16 companies that have reported. Not a recession. That would be unfair. That's a depression in earnings. Okay, NASDAQ earnings are down like 75%. Okay, so again, that's why they need to believe in AI or something that's a story, because of course the gravitational story is that the economy continues to slow. So that's all over the board. You can see that now. If you pushed your chips to the right place on this day last week, we're old enough to remember when we were very long before the month-end markup, because we're not idiots. We're not new on the job. We know how to trade around our shorts. We know how to catch fish in tough waters or easy ones. Okay, so we have some experience here, eh, bud? Yeah, that's how we do it.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.